Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th episode of Young Catalyst. Well, although I'm on my vacation right now, but I still did have a little time where I thought that I should dig into my phone and get this out of it. And I tried to solve it, and I tried for approximately 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and I could not reach anywhere. This is what I did. This is what I did. All right. So then I thought of making friends with my contestant. Hello, Navika. Welcome on the show. Now, everyone must be thinking, why am I introducing Navika? Because she is the youngest mind game athlete, mind sports athlete. So she solved the Rubik Cube in just 1 minute, which I could not even solve in 1 hour. So, Navika, how are you?
Fine.
Fine. You look awesome. You look very, very pretty and you look amazing. So you can't be just fine. You have to be yay and good. Okay, moving on. So Nimisha and Vinayak, thank you so much for letting her be on the show.
Thank you very much for having us.
I think I would like to know more about Navika. So Navika, can you please introduce yourself?
You have to introduce yourself first.
Navika, can you hear me, baby?
No? Chalo, introduce yourself, baby.
You remember the box of chocolate that I'm going to send you after this show?
Chalo, good. Start.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Navika.
Hi.
Chalo, let's go.
I am 4 years old. I love to eat noodles.
Wow.
And I love to solve Rubik Cubes. And I love to see birds. I like to dance. I love to dance. I love to sing.
Wow. इतना सारा talent.
And I am in India. Before I was in India, I was in Indonesia.
And how old are you? How old are you, Navika?
4 years old.
4 years old. और इतना सारा talent है आपके अंदर. Rubik Cube भी, dancing भी, singing भी, Sudoku भी. वो तो आपने बताया ही नहीं.
Sudoku B.
And what else?
Yeah.
And yes, also. Just B. चेस भी अच्छा लगता है.
I'm sorry, what?
चेस भी अच्छा लगता है.
Oh my God, chess भी अच्छा लगता है. सारे brain games अच्छे लगते हैं आपको.
और हाइड एंड
मुझे डर लग रहा है इस इंटरव्यू में. Oh my God, I didn't think भी. Okay, so Navika, मैं तो कर नहीं पाई. आप करके दिखा दो जल्दी से. And before you do it, Navika, tell me how, there are different types of Rubik Cube. What?
Yes. Until
Okay, can you please explain it to us?
Until 30 by 30.
3 by 3.
13 by 13
13.
Rubik Cubes.
Okay, 13 by 13 Rubik Cubes, which means this is 3 by 3, right?
Yes. Pyramid.
This is 3 by 3. Oh, that's a pyramid one. Oh.
Pyramids and 2 by 2. And
Okay. Okay.
And
Lovely.
4 by 4.
This is our
Okay.
cube.
Oh my
five
God, lovely.
by five, and a mirror,
Oh, lovely. Lovely.
and
Excuse.
cube,
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
cube.
Wow.
She has a collection of 12
Seriously.
cubes.
That's amazing. I did not even know they existed. Lovely. So, okay, now that you've introduced us to all the Rubik cubes and there are different kinds, thank you so much for telling us.
First
solve
we,
करके दिखाओ.
first we will make daisy flower. Daisy flower.
Baby flower. Okay.
Now we will make plus. Now this is plus.
I can't see. I can't see. This is a
White
plus.
plus. This one.
White plus. Okay. Oh, yeah. I can see it now. Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we will make full white.
Okay.
Little bit extra. Plus.
Okay.
Chalo,
Better
complete all
point
right.
it towards the camera. Point it towards the camera. Yeah. Yeah. Now I can see. No. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Next step.
Now we will keep one extra. See.
Namisha, can you please help her point it towards the camera? Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you. Yeah. Lovely. Okay. There is one red. There is one red.
Yes, we will make it.
Okay.
Or for
Woo! Supreme. ओके अच्छा मैं भी कोशिश करती हूँ बनाने की वैसे तो मुझे बड़ा कॉम्पिटिशन लग रहा है लेकिन स्टिल
पहले डेजी फ्लावर बनाओ, प्लस बनाओ, फुल वाइट बनाओ, सेकंड लाइन बनाओ और येलो बनाओ.
बेटा एक भी होता हुआ नजर नहीं आ रहा मुझे अपना
चलो आपने का फर्स्ट कंप्लीट कर दो.
वो
ऐसे नहीं, येलो
ओके ओके
सेंटर,
ठीक
येलो सेंटर एंड वाइट पेटल्स ऐसे कॉर्नर में.
अच्छा
एक्स्ट्रा का तो कोई
ऐसे ठीक
बात
है
नहीं. ऐसे नहीं, येलो सेंटर वाइट
ओके
पेटल. देखो
I
इधर
give
इधर वाइट. एक्स्ट्रा का तो कोई बात नहीं, तभी भी कोई बात नहीं.
ओके
और सेकंड लाइन बन गई.
हो गया अपने सामने.
सेकंड लाइन होती है जो दूसरी लाइन है ना, ये जैसे ये दूसरी लाइन बन, इसको सेकंड लाइन कहते हैं. ओके, अब
ओके ओके
समझेंगे.
अब टॉप लाइन बची है
हाँ, टॉप. अब बनाना अब पता नहीं चलता इतनी जल्दी बन जाएगा और येलो बना अब और कलर्स बनने का
दिखा दो वाला।
और येलो
Wow. Wow. Okay.
अब पापा
Done.
done
Wow. It's done. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Superb, Navika. Superb. Really, very, very, very proud of you. You're just 4 years old and you did this. Amazing job. So pretty. Okay, so Vinayak, I would like to
Yes,
talk to you,
Shruti.
Vinayak, about this. Hello, good evening.
Thank you, Shruti.
So, Vinayak, tell me what is exactly Rubik Cube? Tell me more about it.
So, Shruti, this is a kind of a puzzle. It was invented by an architect from Hungary by the name of Erno Rubik.
Mm-hmm.
So, he named his puzzle by
Okay.
his name. He was an architect, and it was invented in
Mm-hmm.
1974. Like it's been more than 40 years. And over the years, different
Wow.
kinds have evolved, different variants have evolved. Even there is a world sort of competition also at the world level, which is being organized for Rubik cubes. So it was during the
Yeah.
lockdown that
Yeah.
the journey started, and she could not go out to play. So that's how her journey started for Rubik cubes, and it
Okay.
has many benefits
Okay.
for
Okay.
kids. Yes, like it
Lovely.
improves,
Lovely. Yeah, because definitely because even I thought that was just a game. It was just a colored cubes game. But there's so much more to it. There's so much meaning to it. And
yes.
what inspired you to introduce Navika to Rubik cube? I mean, why not something else? Why only Rubik cube?
while she is trying to solve yet another one, she is unstoppable when it comes to cubes.
Yeah.
I'll try to answer that one.
I can see
Rubik
that.
cubes, Rubik
Yeah.
cubes have multiple benefits. First of all, they help in problem solving,
Mm-hmm.
developing problem solving skills in kids, improving
Mm-hmm.
their
Mm-hmm.
patience levels, concentration levels, and it also helps in brain
Yeah.
development. In fact, if you would notice, Shruti,
Okay.
Rubik Cube is one of the very few sports in which you are using
Mm-hmm.
your both hands at the same time. So what it
Yeah.
does is
Yeah.
that it helps to develop both your left and right side of the brain.
Lovely.
Well,
Lovely.
as we were
Excellent.
talking, she just solved this one,
The pyramid.
the pyramid.
Wow. Yes. Superb. The pyramid one.
Yes,
Excellent. Excellent.
and
Lovely. So yes. So yes.
yes. So I was saying, the first part was that there are multiple benefits, and secondly,
Mm-hmm.
um, it was during lockdown as well that we came across a Netflix series actually on Rubik cubes by chance. It was named the Speed Cubers, where when we saw it was a 30
Okay.
40 minute movie, I was totally blown away and amazed to see the world of Rubik cubes, the way they do it.
Wow.
Even they can
Okay.
do it blindfolded with one hand, with their feet. They're, I mean, it's really amazing to see. So that inspired me. So I introduced it to Navika, and to our amazement, she picked it up beautifully. So she started learning at
Lovely.
around
I
3.5.
they
And
could
she's,
they could do it blindfoldedly. Wow.
yes, absolutely. They can do blindfolded as well.
Wow. Some talent in the world, I say.
Yes, absolutely.
So you introduced Navika to Rubik Cube right now, like just when we were in the lockdown.
Yes, it was around, I think around month of May or June when we started it. And within 2 months, she was able to solve her first Rubik Cube. In fact, I clearly remember one morning, she just came to me, Dad, I can solve it. I said, okay, why don't you do it once again, show it to me. And she did it. She did it once more, two times, three times. And then, yeah, one day she was, able to do it just like that.
Lovely. Wow. She's a very, very quick learner, which means because it's just been
Yes.
2, 3 months now.
Yes,
Excellent.
absolutely.
Excellent. Wow.
Currently, she is
So,
learning. Sorry, I was just going to say that currently she is learning the next level cube. This is 4 by 4. As you can see, there are four, columns and
yes.
rows. So
Yes.
this is an advanced level cube.
Yes.
So this is what she's learning,
Ah.
and hopefully very soon she'll be able to do it as well.
Amazing. So I think you said 13 by 13 is the last cube, right? That I'm sure is the toughest of all.
Yes, yes. Over the years, as I said, many variants have evolved, and you will be amazed. People have tried to solve it underwater as well. So
Underwater. Amazing. Amazing. I think it's a whole different world altogether with Rubik cubes, huh?
yes, yes, absolutely. I will
That's amazing.
definitely
That's amazing.
recommend watching
Uh,
the Speed Tubers series on Netflix. It's just a 40-minute documentary, and it's amazing.
Definitely, definitely, I would love to watch it. Definitely. So yes, thank you first of all, Vinay, because you told us so many benefits of Rubik Cube. Because even I did not know, and I'm sure there are many parents in this world, and I'm sure there are many people who are watching it right now. Our show. I'm sure their kids want to play with Rubik Cube, but they don't really understand what it is. So thank you so much for telling us what Rubik Cube is and what it does to your child. That's very important to know what whatever game your child is playing, if it is benefiting the child's mental health and coordination of the hand and eye. I think it
Yeah.
makes a lot of sense for the parents to get into what the children are playing with and to promote them. So
Yes,
thank you
Shruti. In
so
fact, I
much
would like
for
to just
telling
share
us the
one more
benefits.
thing. I would like to share a couple of few more things. Her, achievement
Yeah.
also sort of inspired a lot of kids in our friends, family, in our community, neighborhood, and so I have
Definitely.
started sort of a small hobby club as well, where I just teach kids out of passion, and you'll be surprised even Navika is able to sort of contribute in that, and kids younger, much elder to her age, she sort of helps them to know the basics and teaches them the steps. And we have also
So what
started a
is this
YouTube channel.
activity setup?
Sorry,
What
Shruti.
is this activity setup? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What is this activity setup you
It's
said?
just a
What
hobby
is
club.
the
I've seen
hobby?
that it inspired a lot of kids. A lot of parents got interested that they also want to introduce, and I got a lot of interest from
Yeah.
my kids, of my friends, families, the relatives, even abroad. Many of them
Yeah.
approached me that why don't you
Yeah.
teach
Yeah.
our kids also? So we just started a hobby club as well.
Definitely. So do you do it online or do you just do it offline with your
Yes,
friends
yes,
and family
yes,
right now?
yes. They are just friends, families largely. So yeah, just online classes because of the pandemic. We cannot go and they cannot come over. So yeah,
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, she's
she's
trying
just
to show me something. Navika, are you
yeah.
trying to show me something?
I will tell you what she has done. She has made, if you look at this side, she has made a square right in the center. Can you see it now?
Mm-hmm.
If you look at
Yeah,
these four,
yeah, yeah.
so she's made a white
Yeah, I
square
can see
right
the
in the middle.
square. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah,
that's the first step to solve the 4 by 4.
So now she will, in
yeah.
some time, show you more of this. She's working on it.
Superb.
So as we continue our
That's how it
conversation,
starts. Okay.
yes.
All right, all right. Lovely, lovely. I think the audiences may not be able to hear you properly because your voice is cracking to me as well. So if there is anything that you can do to your connection, because I can see your image properly, but it is, yeah, better. So, Namisha, welcome on the show. How are you?
Very well. Thank you, Shruti. Happy
Hi.
Diwali to you in the audience.
Happy Diwali to you too. Happy Diwali. So, Nimisha, we were just talking about Navika's achievements. So, I think I would like, you're the mother, and nobody else in this world can tell us more about her achievements than you.
So she's made another centered yellow. So that's like you have to make first the center.
Yeah.
So she's going step by step.
And
Hmm.
Shula. No, so she has made it as we
First
speak.
white,
Uh,
yellow.
so the white one is not disturbed. If you
First
see,
white.
that is still there. And on the opposite
Yeah.
side, she has made the yellow one without disturbing the first one.
Yeah. Superb. 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 That's amazing. So yes, Nimisha, okay, could you please tell us more about her achievements?
So Navika is certified and rewarded by Indian Cube Association for her unique talent.
Mm-hmm.
And so, like
Mm-hmm.
we shared, she had 1 year of formal training in ballet and gymnastics when she was in Indonesia.
Yes.
But due to the lockdown, she could
Yes.
not continue her outdoor activities, her ballet classes and gymnastics classes.
Mm-hmm.
So we introduced indoor mind sports
Mm-hmm.
to her at the age of 3.5 years. And so now at the age of four
Mm-hmm.
years, in 6 months, she's able to solve different types of Rubik Cubes. She's playing chess very well.
Mama.
Now the red center is
Yes.
ready.
So yes, she's made the red one as well. So do you still, Navika? Do you still have the white one?
Yes.
Red.
Yes, she has all the three of them.
So
Amazing. Amazing.
So at
Yes.
the age of 3.5 years, due to lockdown, we introduced indoor mind sports to her, like Rubik, chess, Sudoku, and board
Mm-hmm.
puzzles. Now she can solve all of them, and even 60
Mm-hmm.
pieces board puzzles she can solve independently. And currently, she's the youngest
Mm.
Rubik solver in the country for 3 by 3 pyraminx and 2 by 2. She's already learning the 4 by 4, which is the
Lovely.
next few. She's been covered by
Mm-hmm.
many newspapers and
Mm-hmm.
cubelelo.com, which is India's largest online orange center, is ready as well.
Orange
White
center is ready as well.
and yellow and red and orange.
Superb, beta. Superb.
So
Some talent. Yes.
cubelelo.com, which is India's largest online cube portal, has acknowledged her and gifted her a hamper for her unique talent.
Yeah.
Her
Yeah.
exceptional mental ability has also promoted a YouTube channel by the name of Wonder Girl Navika.
Oh, wonderful. That's amazing. Okay. Okay.
He
And what is
practices
it all
yoga.
about, Wonder Girl Navika?
So it has her videos of
See?
solving the Rubik
More the
cube.
con.
So the green center is
Oh,
ready now.
lovely. Oh,
All
the
the centers are
green
ready now.
center is also ready now.
All the centers are ready.
Superb, superb. Ah, lovely. This is how it starts with the center.
Yes.
Okay. But I think I'm gonna come home and eat all Navika's chocolates because she told me she's not going to teach me, but she teaches everybody around the world. So yeah, so Namisha, you said that she's been covered by digital media, right? You said
Yes. Yes. So she's
okay.
covered by
So
five
what?
newspapers like Dainik
Okay,
Jagran and few
Regional
others.
newspapers.
lovely, lovely. And at what age was she covered?
Last month, because she turned 4 in
Last
August,
month.
and that is when
Amazing.
so she started at the age of 3.5 years, but it took her some time to learn. So
Mhm.
when she turned 4 in August, that's when she completed. So after that, she was covered in the past
Oh,
2 months.
lovely. So her birthday is in August. When is her birthday in August?
20th August.
20th August. Okay,
20th.
mine is 11th August.
Lovely. Wonderful.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, so Sudoku also. How did you manage to introduce her to Sudoku and how did she just manage to solve those puzzles? I mean, those are like really hard puzzles.
So in that she's doing the kids level. She's not doing the adult level in Sudoku. There is a separate kids level, so she's doing that.
Okay.
So
Ah,
she's a
okay,
very
okay.
curious child. To keep her busy, we got all these
Yeah.
indoor activities for her.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. So right now at 4, she's super talented. What are future plans? What do you see in the
So
future?
she looks forward to participating in international Rubik competition next year.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Also, she's aspiring to be under 5 age national champion in chess next year.
My goodness, lovely. Okay.
And we've always believed in
And how is she
serving the
academic?
her
Hmm.
teachers are always very happy with her. She loves to read and
Okay,
write.
so she's good academically as well. Hmm.
Yes. Her
Interesting,
teachers are
interesting.
always praising her.
Lovely. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We've always believed in serving the
So,
community. So Navika has always been
mm-hmm.
distributing stationery and sweets on her every birthday to underprivileged kids. So once COVID is settled, she'll be teaching
Lovely.
Rubik activity to 100 underprivileged kids as well.
Oh, lovely. That's beautiful. Superb. Excellent. So lovely. So she wants to participate in international chess competition. She wants to participate in the national Rubik Cube competition. And that's just at 4. She's trying to do that. And under 5, and she's going to be participating in all the competitions. Lovely. That's amazing. I have really been inspired today. Really, really been inspired today.
We would really like to thank Young Catalyst and you, Shruti, wholeheartedly for this wonderful
Yeah.
platform to encourage and inspire children. We wish you touch many more
Yes.
lives.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I'm sure in today's episode, Navika has touched a lot of lives. You know, she's inspired me immensely today because at the age of 4, I think I don't even remember मैं क्या कर रही थी मिट्टी खा रही थी but yeah, so at 4 she is solving all the puzzles and hard puzzles, and I'm really inspired, and sure she's inspired a lot of young girls and young boys watching us today. And thank you, thank I really want to thank both of you for letting her be on the show and for being with her on the show. That's really a big support from you all that she has.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Shruti, for
Shruti.
your time. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nice
Navika,
meeting
now
her.
I think we should be friends. Yeah. Now I think we should definitely be friends. Can we be
Yes.
friends now?
Yes.
No.
She still does not want to be friends with me. Okay, I'll keep trying. I'll keep trying. I'll keep trying. I'll be your friend one day. All right. So, Vinayak, thank you so much. Namisha, thank you so much. Navika, thank you so much for being on the show. You are extremely, extremely talented, and I'm very, very proud of you.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Shruti.
Thank you. Have a great year
Thank you.
ahead.
Thank you very much. And to the rest of the audiences, I will see you next Monday, same time, same place. Bye bye. Take care till then.
Cut. Cut करना